Alright y'all, so basically this is a before and after video. So let's get started. The first look is going to be your basic babe, and then we're going to go into the styled version, which is a little bit more polished. If you're a basic babe and you like to keep things simple and cute, or if you like to add a little bit more style, a little bit more effort into your outfits, I hope this gives you an idea of what to do. Alright, so the focal point of this outfit would be the bodysuit. Everything is centered around this. I love when I take off the black jean jacket and it gives you another side to the outfit. It becomes more feminine. And here you can see I added some tube socks just to pull the whole outfit together. I enjoy this style because it's the perfect mix of street and femininity. It's like, yeah bitch, I'm here. Alright, this is the second look that I have today. This is my basic babe. We move quickly into the second look. You pair it with an oversized jean jacket and it's just a little bit of slayage for the kids, you know. I think this outfit is really, really dope. It's cool, it's sexy, and unique. And for the babes who don't typically like to wear high heels, this is just a bonus look. You can just dress it down with some sneakers. Dude, toi. This is the third look. She's basic and cute. Then of course we have the style version of this with the black biker jacket, navy blue shirt, and lace-up ankle boots. This just takes the outfit from streetwear to club wear. And for the final look of today, just to add a little bit more detail to this outfit, I've just added some thigh-high stockings. Alright, whether you are a basic beautiful babe or you like to add a little bit more detail to your outfits, remember, you rock no matter what. Stay tuned for more.